Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Give me like a full rundown of everything equipment-wise for your build here.
6 Sundown 18s, Neo Nightshade level 4 with level 5 Spider. They're like Frankensteins. And 4 Sundown 7500s, 30,000. And at 1.4 on 4 CES limitless CES lithium batteries, 4 of them, so I have 320 with 2 370 alternator CES.
Wow. And did you build this or
everything?
Really? Because that looks really like solid. Everything's braced off and
I did it in wood.
Sealed off.
There's
it looks
no glass.
No glass, really?
You know, I just did it in wood and caulk.
And this is
nothing yet.
Nothing yet. Okay. Have you metered it yet?
Yeah, 160. Yeah.
Wow. Awesome. What's the tuning specs of the box?
I played 160 at 35 hertz. But
Really?
I play down to 26.
Oh, so really musical. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
There's no port in it. They told me to put a 4x6, but I did not. Sundown told me.
Oh, okay. Oh, kind of for like a loading wall?
I think so.
Okay.
But I thought it sounded pretty good this way, so I left.
Yes, sir. Awesome. That looks good, man. What was your name?
Mike.
Mike, Jacob. Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate the information, man. So, are you cooling off for a little while and then get a demo, or you
I can play it for
play
one
for a minute?
second.
Yeah, just for a quick minute. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll let you do what you need to do for the
I don't
windows.
want to leave the windows up, though.
No. It was just for the information, because it's always loud outside, and a lot of people will watch this stuff.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Ready? Told me I was gonna break hearts, I can't surf on stupid. Don't be mad at me, I wanna see you buzz down, bend that shit up. Make that shit clap. She threw it back, so I had to do it back. Tell myself, ain't no running. Murder scene. Now make that shit bad. So I have to tell myself ain't no running. Murder scene. Make that shit clap. She threw it back, so I had to double back on the cat. Smacking house with drugs. I tried to tell myself 2 times with love. And the nigga really laughed on the dead level. Ain't no running time. You gon' take me there. I make the pussy up and down. Some murder scene. Shit player. Got the other right good. He never even heard of me. Damn, I thought the other. Hoping I make that shit. I want to see you bust it. Tell myself Now make that shit. That's all that shit. Bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down. I like that. Send me your location, let's focus on communicating. 160. Send me your location, let's Go ahead. I'm gonna get it, man. That's all that shit down. Bust down on the gas. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down, speed it up. Now slow that shit down on the gas. Slow it down. Now break that shit down. Break it down, speed it up. Now slow that shit down on the gas. Slow it down. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down, speed it up. Now slow that shit down.
Turn it down when you start smelling them a little bit.
Yeah. I mean, if you come back a little later.
Yes, sir, man. Appreciate it. Hey, thank you. Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Is your amp open in the back?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check that out for the video.
Yeah.
Woo, dude, that is brutal.
Yeah.
You like that one?
Yeah, man, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry, excuse me. Nice doors too. Okay. Well, what kind of fans are these? I've seen these before.
Stingers.
Really? Singer fans, okay.
They say it right on the other side.
They do? Okay. Because I know a lot of people use Atwood, the bigger ones.
I put one on right here so you can see.
There it is. All right. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.